Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
The oval face shape is truly celebrated for its natural balance and remarkable versatility. It's often considered the ideal canvas because of its inherent symmetry, which means you already have a wonderfully harmonious base. You don't need drastic changes to enhance your look. Instead, you can subtly highlight your features and enjoy the freedom to experiment with almost any style. This shape naturally lends itself to a refined and timeless appeal. For your hair, layers are fantastic as they beautifully complement the natural contours of an oval face, adding movement and softness. Think about soft, wispy fringes or elegant curtain bangs. They gently frame your face without hiding its lovely shape. It's generally best to avoid very blunt, heavy cuts, especially around your jawline, as they can sometimes obscure your face's natural balance. Instead, opt for styles that allow your features to shine through. When it comes to makeup, the goal is to subtly enhance your natural beauty. Apply blush directly onto the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards your temples for a fresh, healthy glow. You can use a light hand with contour, perhaps just a touch under your cheekbones to define them gently. The key is to maintain balance between your eye and lip makeup, ensuring neither dominates, allowing your entire face to look harmoniously beautiful. Your eyebrows play a crucial role in framing your face, so aim for a soft, gentle arch that complements your natural bone structure. Oval faces are incredibly versatile when it comes to eyewear, so feel free to experiment with different frame shapes like cat eye, aviator, or classic wayfarers. Additionally, consider using accessories like statement earrings. They can beautifully draw attention to your elegant neckline and subtly highlight your jawline, adding a touch of personal flair. Remember, the inherent beauty of your oval face is already outstanding. Every tip here is about subtle enhancement, simply highlighting the wonderful features you naturally possess, rather than trying to change your shape. Ultimately, the most attractive quality you can exude is confidence in your own skin. Embrace your unique features, wear your styles with joy, and let your self-assurance truly shine through. That genuine confidence is your most powerful asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.